Are you sick of those wavy windows on the factory soft top? Or how about the way that factory soft top, the whole back of it lifts up to get into the back? Well, we just finished installing this Trektop by Bestop. And let me tell you, there are a lot of benefits. So first off, let's show you the top, and then we're gonna go over the installation with you. So stay tuned. The Bestop Trektop is a replacement soft top for the 6th Gen Ford Bronco that not only looks better than the OE top, it also has a few features that we like better than the OE soft top. And for those of you who like to run a soft top, well, having a good quality one that looks good and fits good is a big bonus. The Trektop features a slanted back, which gives the Bronco a little more of a sporty look, almost like it's going fast at a standstill. The windows are tinted, and best of all, they are stretched tight, giving the Bestop a much cleaner look than the OE soft top. For this installation, we went with a premium black twill, which has a cloth-like feel to it, similar to the OE soft top. Now for those not wanting the premium twill top, Bestop also offers a black diamond top, which is a little more cost-friendly fabric. Now we chose the twill for its thicker fabric, which gives us better thermal retention and better sound deadening. Now one of our favorite things is access to the cargo area. Just pop this up. We're gonna peel out the sides and lift up the back and flip that up there. And look at that. This is the way the factory soft top should have been, where you can actually get in. But of course, Bestop has taken care of that for you. Now, if you're new to the 4x4 world, you might be asking who Bestop is. Well, Bestop has been building soft tops for 4x4s for over 3 decades, and they've gone through many changes over the years. From their humble beginnings in Boulder, Colorado with only a handful of employees, to the world leader of soft top production with over 500 employees around the world. Bestop truly is one of those family-owned businesses to big corporate success stories come true. Bestop not only produces the Trektop for the new Bronco, they also produce the very popular Sunrider and Skyrider tops, which replace the OE modular hardtop panels with a sectional folding soft top. Now, one thing that's always bothered us were the loose floppy windows on the OE top. It just seemed like the Bronco was never quite properly dressed. The side windows on the Bestop are nice and smooth, and it just looks so much cleaner. Another annoying thing is the lift-up rear hatch. Yes, it's fairly quick to open, but it just feels clunky, and it does limit access to the cargo area, especially those of us with extra height in. It just makes you want to bang your head. The lift-up back also limits the aftermarket roof rack selection. Now here's the Bestop Trektop all laid out, and as you can see, there's a lot to it. But if it's like any of the other Bestop tops we've put together, it's pretty easy. And they do include a very detailed instruction guide. There's 50 pages here. They also have a very detailed video online. We'll leave a link to that down in the description box. And that's the main reason why we're not going to do a step-by-step to this, because Bestop's done a great video already. This is more of an overview, and we'll show you any of the little problems that we have along the way. The belt line seals might be the most tedious part of the install. You need to make sure to line them up with the quarter panel screws and then adhere them to the body. Now we found it easiest to stick the upper portion in place and then roll the lower section down. When it comes to the forward brackets, if you don't have the hardtop center bracket or you have it removed, make sure to use the included spacers to make up the height difference. The top bows look like they could be a little confusing, but we lined them up as they showed in the instructions and they went together perfectly. I also gotta say, it was handy to have an extra set of hands when we got into setting the bows and top into place and then moving them around. Now, getting the edges of the rear window to lock in that very first time can be really tough, and it's easier if you do it in a heated garage or let it sit out in the sun to allow the fabric to warm up. Now, once the top's been on a couple days, the fabric will stretch and settle in, and it'll be a lot easier to open and close. So there you go. There's the install overview for the Bestop Trektop for the new Ford Bronco. And yes, you can do this right in your own driveway. Use our video, use the Bestop video, and use those instructions that come with the kit. Now, to get one for your Bronco, we'll hit that link down in the description box below and get one on its way. Now, if you have any questions about this top or about the install, we'll drop right down and leave those in the comments section. We'd be happy to answer them for you. And until next time, thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon.